Hi, good morning students. Everyone hoping enjoying and good. Okay, in this video I am going to continue the story. Every success story is also a story of great failures where I stopped in the previous video. So okay, let us see here. In 1914, Thomas Edison at the age 67 lost his factory which was worth of few $1 million on fire. So you know something my dear students, there is something happened wrong in Edison's life at the age of 67 in the year 1914. So what kind of wrong thing happened in his life? Let us see here. Let me explain you that. That is, so basically he has a factory. So he established a factory, but unfortunately one day he got fire accident in his factory. So because of that he lost his factory at the age of 67 in the year 1914. But the worth of that factory is few $1 million. It is very costly. But whatever may be, so he lost that factory in his life at the age of 67. It had very little insurance, but unfortunately Edison sir has a little insurance about that factory. So because of that he may lose many worthy in his life. No longer a young man, Edison watched his lifetime effort go up in smoke and said there is a great value in disaster. So it is super about Edison sir. Basically, so let us think about us, my dear students, first. So whatever we lost in our life, we definitely keep and spending time to think about how can I return back that into my life. So Edison sir is not thinking like that. Okay, whatever it happened, because of my foolishness, it happened. So the fire accident happened in my factory. So I lost my factory. But what he would like to know about himself from the disaster, there is a great value in disaster. So in that disaster, there is a great value. So these kind of people, all intelligent fellows, always think about how can we success in our life. So they don't care about what they lost or lose in their life. But if that kind of thing happens in our life, we always put our time to think about that. So we are wasting time. But these kind of intelligent fellows won't waste their time. Okay, it happened. So if I do anything for that to return back, it won't come. So I just want to get something new. So to replace that what I lost today. So in that way they will think and take decisions, and they always keep moving with that kind of a great spirit in themselves. So because of that they are becoming success into their life. So that is the main thing what we need to think about that. So all our mistakes are burnt up. So what I had done mistakes in the past. So how fire accident happened in my factory? Because of my negligence. There is a negligence. So I didn't care about my factory completely well. Because of that fire accident happened in my life, in my factory. So because of that activity, I lost my factory. Okay, whatever it happened, and I just want to take that in a sportive way. So because of that, he is getting some realization about himself. How? So my mistakes all are burning in that smoke. So in that fire accident. So now my mistakes all are burnt out. So what I had done, all mistakes I just completed. So everything burnt in that fire. Thank God, we can start anew. So what I would like to think about me. So I in the sentence refers Edison sir. Edison sir is thinking about himself like this. I just want to start with the new. New means new life and new attitude, fresh ideas, fresh everything with the fresh. So that is happened. So if I think bad about that, it won't come back. It won't come back again into my life. So it is unnecessary thing if I do that. So I don't want to do. I just want to start a new life. So in spite of the disaster, 3 weeks later he invented the phonograph. Wow, it's great. It is seriously great. Just 3 weeks later, he achieved something great in his life after he got that kind of a dreadful, painful disaster which has happened in the year of 1914 at the age of 67. So just think about, dear students, Edison sir is a very brave, very courageous, very willpower man. So because of that, he realized about himself, and just after happened the disaster, he achieved something and he invented a new thing in his life, that is phonograph. So phonograph is very important to make a film and some other things. So if you want to make a film, definitely you need phonograph. Without phonograph you can't make a film. So nowadays we are getting a number of film lovers. So everybody needs some entertainment. So they are getting through the entertainment through the films also. Some other things also they have, but from the films also they are getting entertainment. How the directors and all the crew of film, they are making films because of this great contribution of phonograph which is invented by Edison sir. So okay, so he forgot everything. He forgot everything. Basically, he lost his factory, but he did not think about that. He forgot everything and he decided to start a new life because of that attitude. Just 3 weeks later, he invented phonograph, which is very important and very useful to all the people. That is happened by Edison sir just after he got that dreadful disaster. See, but if anything happened in our life, we should carry on. We should carry on with that sadness until 1 week, 3 months, whatever. So how emotional we are, that is depending upon our that emotional act in ourselves. So but Edison sir is not think like that. Edison sir forget everything and he decided all my mistakes burnt in that fire. So I did not think about and I did not worry about that. I just want to start a new life. Because of that he started, and just 3 weeks later he invented phonograph. It is very useful for everyone. Okay, so it is the greatness of great people. So what an attitude! Seriously, it is superb. It is extraordinary, marvelous, excellent, beautiful, excellent attitude by Edison sir. It won't do anybody, but he did. That's why he became a successful person. So below are more examples of the failures of successful people. So here we are getting some successful people. Let us see here. First one, Thomas Edison failed approximately 10,000 times. 10,000 times while he was working on the light bulb. Everybody knows this. Everybody knows this. Who invented electrical bulb? So that is none other than Edison sir. But before he invented light bulb, he failed approximately 10,000 times. So he tried all these times. So he did not lose his patience at any failure. He always keep moving until he invented light bulb. So that is the greatness of great people. That is the great attitude of great people. I hope you are also great people. You have a very greatness in yourself. If you want to be a great person in the future, just maintain this kind of attitude. How many times you are getting failure? Don't need to think about that. Just keep moving, learn something new from every failure. Whenever you get a failure, just get some realization from that failure. What you have done mistake of that failure happened. Just think, and next time you should not do that mistake and keep moving. So this is a great people attitude. They always think about their future. They won't think about their past and their lasting things. But we are ordinary people. That's why we always think about whatever we lost in our life. We are just thinking about them. Oh my God, I lost this, I lost this, I lost this. So how many times you are thinking about that? How many times you called out? The lasting thing won't return back in your life. So if you want to return that in your life, you just keep working and put your effort to get back that. So that is attitude ourselves. What we have to maintain. Okay. Next. Henry Ford was broke at the age of 40. You know something? Henry Ford, already we discussed about him. He forgot to keep the reverse gear which is made by him, his first car. So basically, before he invented a car, he also failed many times in his life. But at the age of 40, he broke out. Broke out means he got a success. So until he get 40 years old, he failed many times, but he did not also give up. He did not also give up. So because of that attitude, he achieved something great in his life. Next, Lee Iacocca was fired by Henry Ford too at the age of 54. Lee Iacocca also fired from Henry Ford. So he collaborated. Lee Iacocca collaborated with Henry Ford too at the age of 54. Because of that, he also succeeded in his life. Okay. Beethoven was told that he had no talent for music, but he gave some of the best music to the world. Beethoven. So actually Beethoven also tried to make himself in music, but he met many people, but everybody rejected him. But everybody said you don't have a talent. Already we learned something about Walt Disney sir. Walt Disney sir also met many newspaper editors, but every newspaper editor said him, you don't have a knowledge in cartoons, so no need to come again. So we don't want to publish your cartoons in our newspaper. So everybody said, but he has a talent in himself. Because of that, he became a world famous cartoonist now. Walt Disney is a brand. It's a brand name. It's a brand. So how it is possible by him? Only because of his determination. So because he did not lose his determination, I can definitely achieve it. I can definitely keep effort it. I can definitely make myself great. So he believed all these things in himself. Because of that, today he became a world famous cartoonist in his life. How it is possible by him? Only because of his attitude. Attitude always change our life. So students, that you just keep in your mind. So English, Hindi, Telugu. Nothing to learn anything more. These all are motivational and inspirational and some messageful and only stories. So what you have to learn? You have to learn all these things because these things will help you in your real life. It is not a subject. It is not a subject like mathematics, science and social. So in that things we can learn something, but Telugu, Hindi, English, only we have to learn what are the important things help us in our real life. How should we behave with others? How should we be in the society? So all these things will teach you Telugu, Hindi, English. So that is the main thing what we need to understand here. Okay? So it is a very inspiring word from the Walt Disney sir. So Walt Disney sir also got many rejections to become a world famous cartoonist, but it happened by him today. Okay. So Beethoven also rejected many times because everybody said you don't have a talent in music. So why you are approaching again and again us? So we don't give any chance to you. But who said that? He did not listen about that. But today he gave a wonderful music to the world. So that is his talent. So whoever expressing their idea about our talent, we should not give any respect to that, because how can they know our talent? So I have a talent. You are deciding me. You don't have a talent. You told me. So why should I need to take your word in a serious way? Because how you know me? So you are not a god to know me. You are just a human being like me. So in that way we have to be, and we have to take a decisions. We have to move on with that kind of a spirit. Okay, students. I will continue the story in our next video. Until then, everyone keep smiling and happy. And take a bell practice. Until then, see you. Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video.